Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to mute someone's live notifications in Tango, so let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on your displayed name. Tap on the following option. Now select the person that you would like to mute live notification. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the person's profile page. To mute someone's live notification in Tango, select Mute Live Notifications option. And this is how you can mute someone's live notification in Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.